Toyota Digital Key transforms your smartphone into a complete vehicle access system. This technology allows you to lock and unlock your car, start the engine remotely, share access with family members, and monitor your vehicle's status from anywhere. The first step is downloading the official Toyota app from your device's app store. Create an account and verify your vehicle ownership by entering your vehicle identification number and registration details. Ensure your smartphone meets the compatibility requirements. iPhone users need iOS 14.0 or later with NFC capability. Android users require version 10 or higher with NFC and a compatible chipset. Activate your Toyota Connected Services subscription. This service is required for digital key functionality and provides the secure connection between your phone and vehicle. Enable NFC on your smartphone and follow the in-app pairing instructions. Hold your phone steady near the vehicle's door handle for 3 to 5 seconds during the pairing process. The app will guide you through each step. Configure your digital key settings by setting up primary and secondary users, customizing permissions for shared access, and defining usage restrictions. Finally, test all functions including lock, unlock, and remote start to ensure everything works correctly. When setting up Toyota Digital Key, users commonly encounter 3 main types of issues. Understanding these problems and their solutions can save you significant time and frustration. The most frequent problem is NFC detection failure, affecting 35% of support tickets. This typically occurs when your phone case interferes with the NFC signal or when the phone isn't held steady enough during pairing. To solve NFC detection issues, first ensure your phone case isn't blocking the NFC antenna. Remove the case during pairing if necessary. Hold your phone steady against the vehicle's NFC reader for 3 to 5 seconds without moving. App connectivity problems account for 28% of support issues. These occur when there's poor cellular connection, the app needs restarting, or Toyota Connected Services status needs verification. To resolve app connectivity issues, first verify your cellular connection's strength. Restart the Toyota app completely and check that your Toyota Connected Services subscription is active and properly configured. Vehicle recognition failures represent 22% of support tickets. This happens when your vehicle is not within range of a cell tower or when the VIN number in your app doesn't match your actual vehicle. To fix vehicle recognition problems, ensure your vehicle is parked in an area with good cellular tower coverage. Double-check that the VIN number entered in your Toyota app exactly matches the VIN on your vehicle registration or dashboard. For the smoothest setup experience, follow these proven tips. Perform your initial setup in an area with strong cellular signal coverage. Remove your phone case during the pairing process to eliminate interference. Ensure your vehicle battery is fully charged before beginning setup, as low battery can interfere with the process. Some users report better success rates when completing setup during daylight hours rather than at night. Following these troubleshooting steps and setup tips will resolve most Toyota Digital Key issues. Remember that patience during the initial pairing process often leads to better results than rushing through the setup.